Hello everyone, this is Eva from UTM Codes Studios. Many companies have Google Analytics set up. It is pretty much a default tool to track your website performance. But how can you get the most out of this tool? This is a question I hear a lot. We have Google Analytics set up, but we rarely look at it, or we are not sure what to look at it. Many people found Google Analytics is overwhelming and confusing. Right out of the box, it provides you hundreds of data points. In this video, I want to share 5 tips on how to get the most out of Google Analytics for your business. Before we get started, if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. This way, when I release content like this, you will be notified. With that out of the way, let's get right to the point. First, make sure you have Go set up in your Google Analytics. Go helps you to measure the action people take on your website. Before you start to analyzing all those data, take a step back and write down what are some of the important actions you want people to take on your site. Some common goals are request a demo, fill out a contact form, making a phone call, or purchasing a product. You can also have secondary goal like downloading a file. Think of as using Google Maps. You have to know where you want to go first before start looking at the best way to get there. Go helps you to measure if you're on track to reach your business objective or not. Second, use UTM codes to track your marketing campaign. UTM is a snippet code you can add at the end of a URL to tell Google Analytics where the traffic is coming from. Using the same Google Map analogies, if a goal is the destination, then UTM codes are the route you can take to get to the destination. You are likely driving traffic to your website from multiple sources, like Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, or referral site. UTM tracking codes help you to quantify the impact of your marketing campaign. If you're unfamiliar with the concept of UTM codes, make sure to check out this 2 videos where I explain what they are and how to create them. Third, segment your data in Google Analytics. Google Analytics presents all website traffic on your dashboard by default. A segment is essentially a subset of your data. It allows you to view traffic based on specific requirements. For instance, you can see how people behave differently on desktop versus mobile. Next, create custom report. You often have to go through multiple reports or using secondary dimension to really get an idea of what's going on your website. Well, Google Analytics allows you to create custom report to highlight the most important metrics in one place. I would recommend you to create a few reports for different purposes. For example, you can create one that is focused on SEO and another one for social media and traffic. If you're not sure where to start, you can get some inspiration from Google Analytics Solution Gallery. Last but not least, use annotations. Sometimes you might notice a big change in your traffic, and it might be due to some external factor like website migration or pause of a big campaign. In situations like this, annotation can become very handy. It essentially is writing notes about your data in Google Analytics. It is a very simple yet effective way to provide additional context information about your data. You can make an annotation private or share it with other users. This way, when your teammate go in and analyze those data, he or she can take this note into consideration. That's it. Here are the 5 tips to help you get the most out of Google Analytics for your business. I hope you found it helpful. Which one is your favorite? What are some of other practices you like to use on daily basis? Let me know in the comment below. I hope to see you next time. Have a great day. Bye.